How to create trip journal on Word app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create trip journal on Word app fast and easy. So all what you have to do is just go to the app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on this plus icon, and now just go down until you find the trip journal, as you can see right here, and click on it like this. Now this is the trip journal. All what you have to do is to change the text and the photo by clicking on it, and after you finish, all what you have to do is click here in the top corner and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.